Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. Yesterday, we began discussing two-digit subtraction. We talked about how our strategies are similar to addition, but different, since in subtraction, you're breaking apart a whole and not combining two parts. Let's practice our subtraction strategies by looking at yesterday's challenge problem, 27 take away 15. So obviously we need to start by setting it up vertically. And I think I remember saying the whole goes on top. So let me get started on that. All right. Oop. Fixed it. Does that look correct? Wait, why not? Why isn't that correct? Oh, I see. The whole is usually the number you take away from. So it has to be bigger. All right, well, could I take 27 out of 15? No, okay, but could I take 15 away from 27? Okay, so 27 should go on top since that's the bigger number, and I can take 15 away from 27, but I can't take 27 away from 15. Is that right? Okay, let's fix it. So I know 27 goes on top and 15 goes on bottom. Okay, and we got my place value picture chart all set up. Does that look correct? It does? Because I'm only showing my whole? Okay, yeah, in subtraction, I need to break apart a whole. So I'm not showing two parts. I'm just showing the one whole that I'm going to take away from. All right, so now that I've done that, let's start subtracting. I'm going to look at my one side first, of course. And I have 7 ones, and I'm taking away 5. So let's go ahead and take away 5 ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones do I have left? I have 2 ones left. 7 take away 5 is 2. Good job. Now let's look at our tens. I have 2 tens and I need to take away 1. So I have my 2 tens here. I'm going to take away this one. How many tens do I have left? I have 1 10 left. That's right. So when I take away 20, when I do 27 take away 15, excuse me, I have 1 10 and 2 ones left, which means what's 27 take away 15? Yeah, it's 12. 27 take away 15 equals 12. You guys did really well with that. Let's look at our second problem of the day. It's 38 take away 24. And I remember what you told me last time about how when I'm setting a problem up vertically, I need to put the larger number, the whole, on top. And 38 is my whole because it's bigger than 24. So 38 take away 24. Okay. And I have 38 set up here. I have my whole that I'm going to be breaking apart. So I always start with my ones. Let's see. 38 has 8 ones, and I need to take away 4 ones. So I'm going to cross out 4. You ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones do I have left? I have 4 ones left. 8 take away 4 equals 4. Really good. Now let's look at our tens place. I had 3 tens and 38, and I'm taking away 2. So here's my 3 tens. I'm going to cross out 2. How many do I have left? Yeah, I have 1 10 left. 3 take away 2 is 1. So when I took away 24 from 38, I was left with 110 and 4 ones, which means that 38 take away 24 equals what? Yeah, it equals 14. 38 minus 24 equals 14. You girls did so well with that. I think you are ready for some big numbers. You want to see what I have in plan? 78 minus 37. We will look at that when we get back tomorrow. I know you girls are going to do amazing on it. Keep working hard. Keep going on Zern and doing your packet pages. And I hope you have a lovely day.